In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Cursor AI Code Editor, step by step, so you can get comfortable with the interface and start coding faster with AI. Cursor is an AI-first code editor built on VS Code, which means if you've used VS Code before, the layout will feel very familiar right away. You'll still get the same helpful essentials like syntax highlighting and auto-indentation, but with AI built into the workflow to help you move faster and stay focused. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. When you first open Cursor, take a moment to look around the interface. Since it's built on VS Code, you'll notice the editor area, sidebar, file explorer, and all the familiar tools you'd expect in a modern code editor. That makes it much easier to get started, especially if you're coming from another code editor. The biggest difference is that Cursor is designed to be AI first, so it helps you work with code in a more interactive way. The first thing you'll want to do is open or create a project. From there, you can browse your files in the sidebar and start editing just like you would in VS Code. As you type, Cursor gives you the usual coding benefits like syntax highlighting, which makes your code easier to read, and auto-indentation, which helps keep your formatting clean and organized. These small features save time and reduce mistakes, especially when you're working in larger files. Now, the real power of Cursor comes from how it combines standard code editing with AI assistance. Instead of manually searching for fixes or writing everything from scratch, you can use Cursor to help generate ideas, explain code, or speed up repetitive work. That makes it especially useful for beginners who want guidance and for experienced developers who want to move faster. As you work, pay attention to how the editor responds to your code structure. Since Cursor is built on familiar VS Code foundations, you can still use it comfortably as a normal code editor while gradually adding AI into your workflow. That's what makes it so practical. You do not have to learn an entirely new system from scratch. You can start with the basics, then build up to the AI features as you get more comfortable. A good way to begin is by opening a file and testing the editing experience. Notice how the code is colored automatically based on language syntax, making variables, functions, and keywords easier to identify. Then watch how auto-indentation keeps your blocks aligned as you type. This may seem small, but it makes a big difference in readability and helps prevent formatting issues. If you're moving from VS Code, you'll probably feel at home quickly. Cursor keeps the core workflow intact, so your muscle memory still applies. But now you have an editor that is built specifically to support AI-powered development, which can help with productivity, troubleshooting, and faster iteration. So the main takeaway is this. Cursor AI Code Editor is designed to feel familiar if you already know VS Code while adding AI features that help you code more efficiently. Start by opening your project, exploring the interface, and using the editor as you normally would. Then gradually take advantage of the AI workflow as you become more comfortable. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.